Hi everyone and welcome to Did You Know That? In today's video we are going to discover the most and incredible facts about nutrients in food, which give us a healthy lifestyle every single day. Let's go now. You can get addicted to junk food. Due to modern science and research, food engineers can create processed foods that flood our brains with dopamine. Because of this, people tend to lose control over their consumption. Many other studies examine this phenomenon, having similarities between processed junk food and commonly abused drugs. Fat or carbs don't make you fat. Here's the first on our list of nutrition facts. The main factor blamed for obesity is often fat because it contains more calories per gram than protein and carbs. However, this couldn't be further from the truth. These factors are not the only things to consider when deciding on a diet. While both fat and carbs can be fattening, being able to balance this with the rest of the diet can result in positive weight loss. Foods that are gluten-free does not mean it's healthy. The trend for organic and gluten-free food is continuously rising. However, what most people do not realize is that this is not necessarily always the healthiest option. Junk food can also be made with gluten-free and organic products. Drinks that include sugar are the most fattening. The intake of excess sugar can cause great harm to your health. When consuming it in liquid form, the human brain cannot register the amount of calories you are drinking. This leads you to eat more just so the brain can register your calorie intake. Not all vegetable oils are healthy. Soybean, sunflower, and corn oil all contain large amounts of omega-6 fatty acids, which increases the chances of low-grade inflammation in the body. Oils with this fatty acid may also contribute to oxidative stress, which helps heart disease form. The human body is managed by beneficial bacteria. Research has found that there are more bacteria in our intestines than there are human cells in our bodies. The ratio of bacteria to human cells is 10:1. Over the years, scientists have found that these bacteria provide us with many benefits with regards to our health. When we eat, it fuels the bacteria in our bodies to help regulate weight loss and gain, and even how the brain functions. Artificial trans fats should not be consumed by humans. Here are some nutrition facts about trans fats. Trans fats are unhealthy and linked to the increase in heart disease. Luckily, the Food and Drug Administration has banned trans fats as of June 2018 and will no longer be distributed after 2020. Eggs are high in nutrients. Recent studies have shown that cholesterol from eggs has no direct effect on raising blood cholesterol. Hundreds and thousands of healthy people were tested and found no signs of an increase in the risk of heart disease. New foods may lead to the development of new health risks. Obesity has been a problem since the 1980s and has continued to be the biggest health problem in the world. Research blames these epidemics on foods such as eggs, butter, and red meats. However, these foods have been a part of the human diet for centuries. This leaves only processed foods, added sugars, and refined grains to blame. There is no need to eat every other hour. Some people follow diets that require eating smaller meals more frequently in hopes to lose weight. However, research has found that this does not have any connection to fat burning or body weight. Rather, when it is time to eat, it is best to stick to a healthy and nutritious options. Low-fat diets are not healthy. Mainstream nutritionists often recommend going on a low-fat diet to get in shape. However, many long-term studies state that it is not effective in preventing weight loss and the development of diseases. It is better to stick with fruits and vegetables as they are naturally low in fat. Additionally, it is best to avoid processed foods that are labeled as such, as they are often made from unhealthy ingredients. Vegetables are your body's best friend. These foods are rich in nutrients and minerals. In many studies, regular consumption of these foods improve health and lower the risk of developing diseases. Supplements cannot provide the full benefits that real foods provide. The amount of nutrients your body gets from vitamins are relatively small compared to eating a piece of fruit or vegetable itself. Regularly taking vitamins and relying on them alone cannot give you the full nutritional benefits that the human body needs to stay healthy. Diets are not effective. Here's one of the amazing nutrition facts about diets. Diets only provide short-term results, whereas lifestyle changes make major impacts on your overall health. Regular exercise will keep you in shape longer, rather than going on and off a particular diet plan. Processed foods lack major nutrients. Many processed foods will lack fiber in exchange for sugar additives and trans fats. Additionally, they are also full of artificial chemicals and ingredients. Vitamin D is an essential part of your health. This vitamin functions as an essential hormone that your body requires. Those with vitamin D deficiency is associated with the risk of developing diabetes, cancer, and osteoporosis. Moderated consumption of sodium helps regulate blood pressure. Here are some nutrition facts about sodium. Too much sodium can also cause high blood pressure. However, if you stick with the recommended intake of no more than 1,500 milligrams daily, it can help regulate your blood pressure. Regular water intake is essential for the human body. Regularly drinking water will help your body maintain its temperature and lubricates the joints in the body. It also flushes out waste from vital organs, which helps it function properly each day. Introducing children to good nutrition at a young age helps them develop healthy eating habits. By introducing children to healthier options rather than processed ones, they grow accustomed to the habit of eating healthier. Not only will they have a natural taste for healthier options, but it will also help them reduce the risk of developing conditions such as diabetes. The skin of apple contains most of its nutrients. Peeling an apple will cause you to miss out on 50% of its total fiber. You also lose about 30% of its vitamin C nutrients. Raw spinach will have the same amount of protein as a sirloin steak. Broccoli also contains more protein per calorie than steak does. However, these leafy greens do not have the same amount of calories as steak does. Eating celery sticks will result in negative calories. This is because the calories burned to chew the celery is more than the total calories in the celery itself. This makes it the perfect healthy snack for your next diet. Chocolate is good for the skin. You love these nutrition facts. The antioxidants found in chocolate are said to improve blood flow. Research suggests that consuming chocolate can also protect against UV damage. Avocados, almonds, and arugula can improve your sex drive. Here's one of the nutrition facts about your libido. These healthy treats have also been stated to improve fertility. A diet including these foods is recommended for older couples looking to have children. Oatmeal can make your body produce serotonin. This, in turn, calms the mind and improves your mood throughout the day. Consider substituting your usual cereal for a bowl of oatmeal the next morning. Dehydration can cause you to become irritable and moody. It can also hurt your energy levels. Lack of water in your body can cause the loss of blood flow to the brain and also cause fatigue. Anyway, if we follow everyday and healthy diet and lifestyle with good amount of training, moderation is healthy and acceptable. People are still able to enjoy their favorite junk foods and processed foods in moderation, so long as they keep up a healthy lifestyle to stay healthy. Nutritionists also recommend this as people tend to overindulge when they are deprived of their favorite junk food. Okay, beautiful people. In today's video we discovered the most amazing facts about foods and nutrition. If you like the video, please click the button thumb up, leave us a comment and write down what would you like to know about. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and to activate the notification to be able to get last video once they will be out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Have a fantastic day.